Hello, we're here at Misco Expo 2011. I'm talking to James Akrigg, who's the Head of Technology for Partners at Microsoft. Hi, James.
Hi, how you doing?
Okay, so I gather you're talking about a product called Windows Office 365 today,
Yeah.
is that? Okay, so as you can tell, I'm sort of struggling with the name there. You might as well assume I'm completely ignorant on this.
Yeah.
Why don't you take me from the top? What is Office 365?
Okay, so Office 365 is the successor to something that was called BPOS. So if you struggled with Office 365, business productivity,
the online suite.
the online
I remember
suite.
that.
Okay, so this is really bringing the latest productivity servers as a service from the cloud. So this is Exchange 2010, SharePoint 2010, and the new Link technology for unified communications.
Okay.
Also, for the first time, we're bringing Office Professional Plus, the desktop tools, on subscription as well to our users.
And desktop tools means the ones everyone knows, like Word and Excel.
PowerPoint, Excel, Access, Publisher, the whole suite.
So basically, everything that we would associate with Microsoft sort of productivity tools, we can now get as a cloud product, which
Consider it as consuming the actual server product as a service from the cloud.
as a service.
And the thing that's great about Office 365 is that we're now able to actually offer the same enterprise class software as a service to any size of business. And by any size of business, I mean from a startup of one employee all the way up to some of the largest enterprises.
And why is that an advantage versus, in the old days, we'd just go down the local reseller, we go to Misco, and we just buy a box of Microsoft goodies.
Yeah.
Why is this better?
So the opportunity to buy box of goodies, I think is the term, that still exists. What we find is that the consumer and the business person are one and the same person, and they've been using email from cloud-based services for many, many years. They're comfortable with that, and now we're bringing the business platform to deliver things like email. So where it makes sense, certain workloads will move to the cloud. So if I ask IT guys, or if I ask businesses, are you happy patching and maintaining an email server? They're not. They never ever get thanked for it. So now I can take that workload, deliver that from the cloud, and now focus on other things.
And it being cloud-based is presumably quite good for mobile devices because you're less dependent on local storage.
Yes, so the cloud lends itself very easily to the multitude of devices that people are using. So there are, I speak to large audiences, many are consuming email by their mobile devices, but also documents and so on. There are many devices you could choose. If I was to suggest one, I may suggest the Windows Phone.
Thought you might.
And I happen to have
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Here's one I have here that I would suggest. And the key things are obviously being able to get much better experiences on Windows Phone.
Okay.
There's things that we can do that other vendors can't do, such as Office integration and deeper email and calendar and contact integration.
And I gather, just going off on a bit of a phone tangent here, the latest version's codename Mango 7.5, and that's got some real enhancements regarding the Office side of things as well.
Yeah, so one of the key advantages is bringing Office 365 integration straight to the phone.
As we got from that icon down there.
And to set up the email, all I need to know is my email address and my password, and it will automatically configure, bring my contacts down, bring my emails down, calendars, to-do lists.
Can we have a little look at some of the stuff on your phone?
Yeah, so as I get access to my emails here, I can pin an individual folder at my mailbox, and also I can actually go straight into the Office hub here, and now I can see locations that I've got documents such as SkyDrive, perhaps on my personal documents, and also Word documents, PowerPoint documents, and so on.
Brilliant, and that's all accessible on your phone?
All accessible on the phone. I just want to say that you will get the best experience on Windows Phone, but if you are still using iPhone, Android, you can connect to Office 365 for your email and calendars and so on.
Okay, well, that's good to know. That's good to know. Okay, and then just to finish off, you mentioned at the top this Link Unified Communications. Can you tell me a little bit more? What is Unified Communications?
So Unified Communications is really bringing things like instant messaging, presence, so I know when people are online, being able to make voice over IP calls from PC to PC. So this is actually enabled to do a number of things, reduce cost for telephony, and also being able to do web-based conferencing straight off this platform, reducing travel. So in today's tricky business climate, reducing travel, reducing our carbon emissions, and also saving money is key. And Link's been able to do that. There's going to be a sporting event in London next year, so people think about contingency, about if people can't get to the office. Link is one of those technologies that's going to allow people to still continue to do their business.
Brilliant. Okay, well that's a lot of information to take in. Thanks a lot, James.
No problem. Thank you very much. Good to see you.
So I was talking to James Akrigg from Microsoft at Misco Expo 2011.